In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Spectrum router. This is the best way to fix common issues like slow internet, connection drops, or login problems. But remember, resetting your Spectrum router will erase your custom settings, like Wi-Fi name and password. You'll need to set it up again using the default details printed on the back of your router. Now let's start the video. First, make sure your router is plugged in and powered on. Next, find the reset button. It's usually a small hole or a button labeled reset on the backside of your router. Now, take a paperclip or pin and press the reset button inside the hole for about 10 seconds. You'll see the router's lights start flashing. That means the reset has started. Wait until the lights stop flashing, then give the router about a minute to reboot. Once it's done, your Spectrum router will be restored to factory settings, just like new, and ready to set up again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching.